In today's video, we're unboxing this lifestyle subscription box from Alltrue. So if you're interested in seeing everything that is in this box, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. The last time that we did an unboxing, a lifestyle unboxing, I told you there was the next box that was on the way from Alltrue and that I should have it that week and that I would unbox it pretty soon. But there were more shenanigans. This time, it was really on the courier's part. I was in the middle of moving and they were supposed to put the box that they delivered into my mailbox. Well, they didn't. They left it at the door. Well, I was not home for some time, days. I was gone. When I got back, I'm like, okay, I'm checking my mailbox, like, where's the box? The box isn't there. I had to go to the courier. I had to go to the landlord of where I was living at the time. Then I had to contact Alltrue. They took months to get back to me, nearly 2 months before I got an email from them. Sorry, your email went into like basically our junk mail and we didn't see it until just now. So how can we help you? Yeah, that was annoying. It wasn't like I could keep following up with them because I got a response to my email to them originally saying that, hey, don't email us again, because if you do, it's going to kick you down the queue and we might not, you know. So there was that. But once they finally did email me and they took care of it, it was like, we can send you a replacement box. You should be getting an email to let you know when the box ships. Well, nearly a month goes by and I'm like, I still haven't got the email that my box is shipped. And they're like, oh, well, it's in with the shipment center. You'll get the email. And I'm like, well, I was told that almost a month ago, so can we kind of like move this along? So they finally sent it. I just got it. This is actually the summer box. I should have the fall box next. We'll be doing the fall unboxing. But that's gonna be my last box because this is just this is too much. It shouldn't be this difficult. I was telling you guys I'm on a yearly subscription and the last box is the fall box. So I'm moving on after this one. So let's go ahead and just jump into what is in this box. I don't even remember what was in this box. Made my selection so long ago now. So here's the box. Hello summer. It's well into fall now. I don't know if this is what I picked since it's a replacement box. Not sure if they made sure it had all the selections I made. First thing is an umbrella. It's a green polka dotted umbrella. So umbrellas are always nice to have. I can keep this in the mud room that way. It's kind of small, so I can put it in my bike for when me and my son cycle and we get the unexpected rainfall. I have this cute little basket on my bike. Here's a wet dry brush. I don't need this. I'll probably use it either on my son or my dog. It's for gentle detangling, made with recycled materials. Yeah, I'll probably use this on my dog, honestly, because my son's hair, that brush don't stand a chance. What is this? Good, G-U-U-D, 100% mesh shopping bag. So there's this. Might be good for something like Aldi. Something like this might be cute to take to the beach. And then they gave me Ashiana London. These are 2 hair ties. This one's cute. It's got buffalo check. I'm really into that right now, and it's neutral colors. These are always really good too for when you're doing your skincare. If you're not doing it in the shower or the bath, so that the water doesn't run down your arms when you're doing your skincare, because I know that sort of thing is really annoying. Gel socks. Now these I do remember selecting because I wanted to try these. They feel heavy. They definitely have gel in them. By Barefoot Scientists. It says sleep on it, scientifically advancing moisturizing gel socks. It boosts skin's regenerative processes for smoother, softer, and well-rested feet. This is pretty cool. I'm definitely anxious to try that. It has the little things on the bottom, so like no slip. Okay, let's get into this. So it says jojoba oil, aloe oil, olive oil, and vitamin E. Slip it on socks to be worn while sleeping or anytime throughout the day for a few hours. And socks can be worn 12 times before the moisturizing formula has been fully released. And socks can be gently washed by hand and laid flat to dry. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm definitely going to try this, and if I really like them, this might be a repurchase. So if you're interested to see what I think about these, like a full review, let me know and I can like post it in the comments of this video. Earth Harbor Hair Revive Elixir with seaweed and jasmine. Fortify, nourish, and revive dull or damaged hair using superfood nutrition of seaweed and coconuts. It's anti-pollution properties of jasmine and calendula flowers. Ultra rejuvenation of carrot seed and jojoba oils. When massaged into your scalp, Sunstone promotes a flow of positive energy to hair follicles. She's the perfect herbal tonic for tackling dry scalp, scraggly ends, and worn strands. Created with all hair types in mind. Use it as a scalp treatment. You can massage 5 to 10 drops at the root for 3 minutes, which is most likely what I would use it for, because I don't know if you noticed, but I have locks. Definitely will need to use it at my ends, but my roots is all, you know, live hairs. It looks homemade. I like the little droppers. The scent is nice. It's not scented. You can tell it's just like the natural scents, but what you can smell smells nice. I was actually most excited about this one, and this was actually a selection that I made. Brooklyn Steel Co. It's the Venus collection. This is a cooking pan, obviously, non-stick, dual handles, and that's what I actually like about it. Number one, I like the color. It's pretty deep, but it's still shallow at the same time. This is probably something that I would cook with every day, especially because it's non-stick. I absolutely love to cook. I love to cook. It is one of the most relaxing things that I love to do. I love the sizzle of vegetables in a pan, making pastas, stews, and things like that. So this is perfect for me, and it's oven safe. This is nice. I hate doing dishes. So there's this one pan that I use, and you guys probably heard of it. It's the all-in-one pan from Always. You could do everything with it. The only thing with that pan though is it isn't oven safe. It's non-stick, so it's really nice. It's so easy to clean, but because I can't just pop it in the oven, that's the one thing that I don't like about it. So this probably something that I would actually keep on the stove, because I would use it all the time because it is non-stick. Literally can just pop it in and stick it in the oven and done. This is definitely going to be a staple in my kitchen. I already know. I absolutely love the color. It's kind of like the same type of blue as my iPhone, right? Yeah. This type of blue and blush are probably my favorite two colors when it comes to actual color. Other than that, like, I'm a neutral girl, like grays and browns and things like that. Really excited to use this pan. I'll probably actually use it today. So that's gonna be it. That's everything in this box. I am gonna do one more unboxing. The next unboxing that I do for Alltrue will be the last, unless they want to sponsor me or something going forward. I think we're gonna go back to FabFitFun. I haven't tried FabFitFun in a couple of years now because I've been with Alltrue for a couple of years, so I'm kind of excited to get back into them to see what they've been doing. I haven't really been watching any reviews or anything lately, so. And then we might try Alltrue in the future. I can never say never. If you're interested in what's in the fall box, look out for that video because that one is coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I found it helpful to see the type of products that are in the Alltrue box, or if you want any kind of review on any of these summer products. I really like this one. Then give this video a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. You can also hit the bell notification and you'll be notified on Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays when I upload. On Mondays, we do Shop With Me's at all my favorite home decor stores. On Fridays, we hit up Target to see what's new in home decor and dollar spot. And on Sundays, I bring you lifestyle content, especially content of me organizing and homemaking in the new house. So I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.